Hello everyone. This is Dr. Munawar Sheikh from MS Homeopathic Medical Center, and I have made this video precisely for clearing up any kind of confusion people have with regard to homeopathy immunity booster medications. Ayush department as such has recommended this immunity booster medicine called Arsenicalb 30. Unfortunately, when I was a part of a couple of resident welfare associations and some other messages which I have seen on the social platforms, I was very disappointed that even some clinics and some doctors were claiming they're providing immunity booster medicines but not mentioning the name of it, neither the dosage nor how to take it. So here it comes from us. So I am, as you all know, practicing homeopathy here in Koramangala at my clinic, Dr. Munawar MS Homeopathic Medical Center, for the last 25 years. And time and again, I have been updating a lot of medications and articles with regard to health and hygiene and how to go about the treatment of certain diseases, and educating the masses with regard to certain conditions as well, with regard to their ailments, and how homeopathy can help them overcome that effectively. So talking about Arsenicalb 30, as such, it is a great remedy which helps in any kind of catarrhal secretions of the respiratory tract, whether it is the upper respiratory tract or the lower respiratory tract. It's an excellent medicine for all kinds of respiratory allergies, as well as its sphere of action is vast on various other systems as well. But to be precise, as per Ayush, the dosage of Arsenicalb 30 is 5 to 6 pills twice a day for about 3 days, which you need to take in adults, and in children you need to take half the dosage of just about 2 to 3 pills twice a day, again for 3 days. Thereafter, if one wishes to, you can continue as 1 dose a day for the next 3 to 4 days. This dosage has to be repeated again after about a month, and this helps in improving your immunity amidst any kind of infection and any kind of epidemic, especially in the current scenario, in the current pandemic scenario that we have. It is not a sure shot medicine for COVID-19, but it is definitely immunity booster medicine to help you cope up with some amount of resistance to fight against this particular infection. Apart from this, there are a couple of things that you should do right: eating on time, sleeping on time, taking your medicines on time, and following certain ideas like walking and exercising on a regular basis. Also ensuring that you do a bit of meditation to help you keep calm. And the medicines procedure is you have to take all the the homeopathy medications half an hour before food, otherwise 1 hour after food, and you should avoid any kind of raw ginger, garlic, onion, coffee, or any kind of strong flavoring agents. One must also avoid taking it directly into the hand. It is always better to take it in the cap of the bottle and put it under the tongue into the mouth and allow it to dissolve well, and ensure that you are not having any kind of strong flavors in the mouth, because they may actually nullify or neutralize the effect of the medication. And also ensure that you store it properly away from direct sunlight and strong smelling odors. Please stay safe, avoid risky places, and avoid any kind of places where you think you might catch infection, especially public places. And stay safe, stay at home, and take your medicines on time to help improve your immunity. And there are a lot of other medications also which will help you improve your immunity, not just in the present scenario but otherwise also. Contact us for more details, As of now, we are providing Arsenic Carb 30 for just as little as rupees 50 per person. You can come and visit our clinic and pick it up from us. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy.